deep sound.
Yep.
My gosh, is this thing smooth?
I know it is, ain't it? These Oldsmobiles are always nice driving cars. The tach works nice and smooth. Everything pretty much on the car works. Get a picture of the
Action Land, and you're there in a car bristling with action. Oldsmobile's new high-performance sports coupe, Jetstar 1. Powered by Oldsmobile's ultra-high compression, Starfire V8 engine, teamed with optional hydromatic drive. See it, drive it. You'll be fast friends. Jetstar 1, the new high-performance sports coupe by Oldsmobile. For 64, go Olds, where the action is.
Yes, now is the time for you to get acquainted with Jetstar 1 at your Oldsmobile quality dealers, where the action is.
There is a special feeling in Oldsmobile